Did you know the average car on the road today hits over 200,000 miles before it's scrapped, but most start burning oil, losing power, or worse, facing major repairs right around 100,000? That's not fate, that's preventable neglect. Today, I'm breaking down 13 real mechanic-proven additives that can dramatically extend your engine's life, cut down on repairs, and keep your ride running strong way longer. These aren't hype bottles from the checkout line. These are the ones I've used in shops, on customer cars, and even my own projects that actually deliver. Plus, stick around to the end because I'm calling out 3 additives that can quietly wreck your engine if you're not careful. Let's dive in and make your car outlast the stats. Tip number 13. Liqui Moly Moss 2 Anti-Friction. Starting us off at number 13 is the gray ghost of engine protection, Liqui Moly MOS2. If you want to know what actually kills a high-mileage engine or a differential, it isn't old age, it's microscopic metal-on-metal violence. Once those tolerances open up, your gears start eating themselves alive. MOS2 stands for molybdenum disulfide. Think of this not as a liquid, but as a microscopic suit of armor. It forms a high-load, sliding film on all friction surfaces. I've performed teardowns on engines that ran this for years, and the cylinder walls still had the factory crosshatch visible. Zero scuffing. It's essentially a limp home insurance policy. Even if you had a momentary drop in oil pressure, this layer stays bonded to the metal. Tip number 12. Marvel Mystery Oil. At number 12, we have a legend that's been around since the Prohibition era, Marvel Mystery Oil. Now, in a world of high-tech synthetics, why is a 100-year-old red bottle still on my shelf? Because physics hasn't changed. Carbon is still the enemy. Marvel is a naphthenic oil-based cleaner. It's thinner than your motor oil, which allows it to penetrate places thick detergents can't. Have a tick-tick-tick coming from your lifters at startup? Pour this in. It dissolves the varnish that makes lifters sticky and keeps your rings from seizing. I've seen dead barn-find engines regain compression just by letting this soak in the cylinders. It's the ultimate clean-as-you-drive solution for both your oil and your fuel system. Number 11. Stayill Storage Fuel Stabilizer. Number 11 handles a silent killer, phase separation. Modern gasoline isn't just gas, it's an ethanol cocktail that starts degrading in as little as 30 days. If your car sits for a few months, that fuel turns into a sour, acidic varnish that eats fuel pumps and clogs injectors. Stayill Storage is the industry standard for a reason. It prevents the oxidation process that creates gum in your lines. If you have a seasonal vehicle or even a backup car you don't drive every day, skipping this is like playing Russian roulette with your fuel injectors. I've seen $1,200 repair bills for fuel system flushes that could have been avoided with a $10 bottle of prevention. Coming in at number 10 is a product that fights the one thing that kills more engines than friction: heat. Most people think their coolant is doing its job just fine, but surface tension is actually your enemy. Royal Purple Ice is a wetting agent. It breaks down the surface tension of your coolant, allowing it to make better contact with the internal metal jackets of your engine. In my testing, I've seen cylinder head temperatures drop by 15 degrees Celsius in heavy towing conditions. A cooler engine isn't just a safer engine, it's an engine that isn't warping its head gaskets or thinning out its oil. If you live in a hot climate or push your car hard, this is a cooling system's best friend. Number 9. Redline Water Wetter. This is the enthusiast's favorite, but here is the expert's take. It works, provided you aren't trying to fix a broken radiator with a bottle. The secret to Redline Water Wetter is using it with the right ratio. If you run a 50-50 mix of antifreeze and top water, you're doing it wrong. To get the maximum benefit, you want to run this with distilled water and the minimum amount of antifreeze required for your climate. It eliminates localized hotspots in the cylinder head that cause pre-detonation, or knock. It's the difference between an engine that retards its timing to stay alive and one that breathes easy and stays efficient. Number 8. Lucas Transmission Fix. Sliding into number 8 is the Hail Mary of the automotive world, Lucas Transmission Fix. Let's be honest, if your transmission is making a grinding sound like a blender full of marbles, no liquid can fix broken gear teeth. However, if your shifts are getting lazy or you're experiencing morning sickness where the car won't engage until it warms up, this is your lifeline. It's a polymerized formula that renews worn seals and increases the grip of your fluid. I've seen this bottled by owners 2 or 3 extra years of life on a transmission that a dealership told them was totals. It's the ultimate high-mileage Band-Aid that actually stays stuck. Tip number 7. Lubard AT Protectant Rent Red Bottle. While Lucas is the big hammer for symptomatic trans, Lubard Red is the precision scalpel shops trust. It modifies fluid friction, drops temps up to 40 degrees in heavy use, conditions seals, and fights varnish on valves and solenoids. Teardowns show boxes stay cleaner, fluid less burnt. Heat halves fluid life every 20 degrees rise. This counters that. Great for towing, city stop go, or high mile autos, even new ones for extra protection. Pros use it during rebuilds too. Prevention beats cure every time. What's your trans fluid change interval? Hack number 6. Seafoam motor treatment. A shop staple for generations, versatile, safe, and effective. Seafoam cleans through fuel, injectors, valves, or carbs, oil, sludge, or varnish before change, or even soaked parts. Added to fuel, it smooths rough idles, restores power, and oil loosens gunk without harsh chemicals. I've seen neglected engines quiet down and revived. Keep a can handy. It's the Swiss Army knife of cleaners. What's your favorite Seafoam method? Fuel, oil, or a vacuum line? Tip number 5. BG44K Fuel System Cleaner. When buildup is bad, rough idle, hesitation, clogged injectors, BG44K is the pro-grade hammer. It's stronger than most shelf stuff, aggressively attacking carbon on valves, injectors, combustion chambers. Run a bottle in a low tank, fill fresh. Next tank often brings sharper throttle, better idle, MGP bump. Not cheap, but worth it over injector swaps. Shops use it for tough jobs. Serious results for serious issues. Have you felt the difference after a strong cleaner? Hack number 4. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. Techron's polyetheramine, or PEA, is the benchmark for deposit control. OEMs like Honda, Toyota, and BMW recommend it. Cleans injectors, intake valves, chambers. Regular use prevents buildup. One treatment often restores response. Top-tier gas has some, but the concentrate hits harder when needed. Trusted data backs it, no guesswork. Who's running Techron regularly? Notice any changes? Tip number 3. Oil RT91000 Friction Modifier. For diesels, especially power stroke stiction or high-mile gassers with lifter noise or cold starts, RT9100 bonds to metal, cuts friction dramatically for up to 30,000 miles. Quiets cold clatter, smooths running, protects under load. I've seen stubborn diesels transform. Smoother, quieter, better pressure. Great for worn engines. Ever dealt with stiction or noisy lifters? Hack number 2. Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. Thick, clingy. Lucas coats parts, reduces metal contact, boosts pressure, quiets noise, and slows oil burn in high-mile engines. Truckers and high-mile drivers love it for heavy loads or long hauls. Not for new engines, can thicken too much, but buys time on older ones. Seen rigs push extra miles with it. Your experience with thickeners? Tip number 1. Liqui Moly Ceratech. The crown jewel, Liqui Moly Ceratech's ceramic compounds bond a protective layer to metal, slashing friction and wear for up to 30,000 miles. Engines run quieter, cooler, smoother. Some report MGP gains, less noise long-term. Teardowns show minimal wear. Pricey, but versus rebuild, no-brainer. For performance, daily or heavy-duty, my top pick for serious protection. And now the warning, 3 to avoid. First, magnetic or nanoparticle additives claiming magnetic friction reduction, mostly snake oil, can clump or abrade. Second, vague engine conditioners with mystery ingredients, often cheap fillers that clog passages or mess viscosity. Third, cheap nanometal suspensions. Suspended particles scratch bores, ruin tolerances. Use proven ones and follow instructions, and your engine thanks you. If this helped, smash like, share with a friend facing repairs, subscribe for more real talk. What's your go-to additive? Comment below, let's discuss. See you next time. Keep wrenching smart.